You in your sandbox for the first time? What do you think? Do you like it?
What a riot. It's so funny the first time they see something, they feel something. You know, what's going on?
What do you
Well, he's
think?
never experienced the sandbox before, right?
No.
Nobody else has had one.
No. He kind of did that yesterday too in the wave pool.
Yeah.
He's standing up, then he'd go.
Are you going to eat some of it?
Go all the way to
Is it
his waist
yucky?
and
It tastes
stand up
yucky.
again.
Yeah.
Don't
And
eat
it
it.
took like forever. And then finally he just went. And then there's always balls.
Yeah. Cool, huh?
Do you like a sandbox? Yes, that's a nice sandbox, isn't it?
Is it on your leg?
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Which put the